Look how happy she is in this outfit. Look how happy. Yeah.
Look at that face.
She's super happy. All right, she couldn't be happier. Happy as a bug in a rug. All right, somebody has a lot of costumes here. We got out the costume bin. Yeah, we're gonna see what Zoe wants to be for Halloween this year. Well, finally, Zoe's gonna help.
Okay.
Oh, she's already ready to help.
Okay, Summer, you want to be a pumpkin.
We want to see if Summer wants to be a pumpkin. How does this go? How would you like to be here, where's this? Here's the strap. Where's this?
I got a strap here.
Okay, let's see how Summer looks as a pumpkin.
Summer wants to be a pumpkin.
Oh,
Isn't she cute?
Summer, do you feel like being a pumpkin? How about you, Willow?
Look at this.
That's nice. All right, let's do another. Let her down. Let's do another costume. We'll do. This is Zoe. Now Zoe likes costumes.
She's gonna be a lamb.
What's this?
Oh, that's an emo.
We're gonna do an emo on Zoe too. That little pumpkin dog.
Oh, doesn't she look cute? Oh,
no, she wants.
to be
I think she
Nemo.
wants to be Nemo.
She wants to be Nemo.
No, what is that? A sheep?
She's a lamb.
It's a lamb. That is one cute lamb. Okay, let her down. Let's see who's next.
Well, who can fit? This is not very big, so it'll probably be a small person. It's a medium.
Who can wear medium? Kobe.
Kobe? We don't know where Kobe is. Kobe?
Zoe, you don't like the... There you go. Cute. Here's Kobe. He is, what is he? How old is Kobe, Leon?
Kobe's 13.
Kobe's 13 years old, Japanese chin. He is a champion. You wonder what a champion Japanese chin looks like?
That's him.
That's Kobe.
Oh no, Kobe. Let's see how we're gonna do this.
Alright.
Gotta put his little ears in there. He's not sure. Where does this go? He said. He's not sure about this outfit. Try a different one.
I don't think you have it on right. I'm not sure this is on right. There goes the Nemo.
He doesn't like that.
All right.
He wants to be Santa's little helper.
Who's crying?
Someone.
Summer still has her pumpkin
I think
outfit on.
she still looks so cute.
Summer is cute.
She can greet the people. Trying to figure out how to put this on.
That goes over her head.
Goes over her head.
Is that a reindeer?
She's supposed to be a reindeer.
Oh, that's cute. Oh, Willow's checking it out. Maybe Willow wants an outfit.
Oh, well, I have to see if I can find a log.
Is that a reindeer?
It's supposed to be a reindeer.
I can't even see her. There she is. All right.
So it's a reindeer. It says Santa's little helper.
She's a Santa's little helper. Cute. Summer really likes this pumpkin outfit.
Oh, it's
I
perfect.
don't think Zoe can walk. Like, I'm not sure Zoe can walk.
How about a cow?
Wait, look at this guy. I'm not sure the costume doing him correct. Kobe.
I don't know. I don't know about
I'm pretty sure that costume was on upside down backwards. Okay, who can that one fit? Switched it up. I don't know if a black and white costume on a black and white dog, how that's gonna look.
Oh, how about a frog?
Oh, he looked good as a frog.
He'd be super cute as a
He's a
frog.
frog. All right, okay, we got froggy kisses over there.
He's already started up.
cute little frog he is.
Oh my God, that is a cute outfit.
That's a cute frog, Kobe. All right, oh, this little frog. Does the frogs have kiss? Well,
You give a kiss?
Can you kiss a frog? Is that what it is?
Covering me. Where's my print? You're my
No, you're
print.
supposed to kiss a toad. Where's a frog drinking some water?
Zoe, you're getting a new outfit.
Zoe's going to model some else because she doesn't mind the clothes.
She's used to being a fashionista.
Okay, hold on. I'm trying out that outfit, Zoe.
This one's real cute.
They still got their outfits on. Kobe still got his frog outfit on. Hi, Kobe.
Oh, I think he looks cute as a frog.
He
well,
does.
he can't see very well.
He can't see what he's doing, but he still got his frog outfit on. And she really likes her pumpkin outfit.
Oh. Okay.
Let's see Ladybug. Pose for the camera. Alright, which is our favorite costumes? I think that would do it. I think we have more costumes. Maybe we'll save some for next year.
Oh, got a chicken too.
The chicken's cute. Zoe looks like a cute chicken.
Yeah.
Zoe's really excited about this one. Alright guys, thanks for watching our video. Remember to subscribe. Leanne, how many videos do we have?
Over 7,000. And tell us, which one did you like?
Which outfit do you like the best?
I'm really liking this outfit on this pumpkin girl.
She's putting up with it really good. She's our little puppy. I'm surprised she's putting up with it.
I think she looks super cute with it.
She looks cute. And this ladybug's frozen. Look how happy she is in this outfit. Look how happy. Yeah.
Look at that face.
She's super happy. All right, she couldn't be happier. Happy as a bug in a rug. All right, thanks for watching, everybody.